This video will provide an introduction to using the online inventory to search the National Army Museum's book collections accessible in the Templar Study Centre for your research. To begin your search, you will need to first navigate to the online inventory. This is another word for the museum's catalogue. On the collections page, you will see a link to the online collection on the left-hand side. Do not click on this. The online collection is only a small part of the museum's entire collection that has been digitised and is available to view online. It will not retrieve results for everything in the collection. This is a key difference between the online inventory and the online collection that is important to remember. You can use the Search Books inventory to search the National Army Museum's collection of books, army publications and periodicals. You will know you are in the Search Books inventory by looking at the black bar at the top of the screen. Search books will be highlighted in white. You can use this bar to navigate between the Search Books and Objects inventories. When using the Search Books inventory, you will need to first enter your search terms and then select the type of object to include in your search. You can search by title, author and publisher for specific titles you are looking for. Alternatively, you can start your search by key battles or campaigns, people or organisations, regiments or corps, geographical location, or by theme or concept. These search options can also be a great tool to refine your search. If you want to know whether the National Army Museum holds a copy of a specific book you are looking to consult, you can do this by typing the title of the book or names of the author, editors or publishers into the relevant fields. Our tips for searching include entering the title's main keywords into the title search box or entering the author or editor's surname into the author search box. Once you have done this, scroll down and deselect all other options apart from books. Press Submit. If the National Army Museum holds the book you are looking for, it will appear in the results page. If you require further information relating to searching the National Army Museum's collections, please do get in touch with us via the Inquiries page. You will find this page by navigating back to the Collections page. Scroll down until you see the Inquiries section on the left-hand side. Press Find Out More, and on this page you will find the museum's contact information and inquiries policy.